Another early morning. I'm very sleepy again, but again, I can't sleep. I've been renovating my other bedroom. My roommate moved out, and kind of have to do a lot of fixing. Not thrilled about it, but it can't be changed, so getting upset about it is not really worth the energy. Anyways, I missed last week. There was a reason. I think I was out of town. But anyway, today we're going to play a favorite. And I know that, as a rule, LJN makes garbage games, garbage toys, and basically just garbage. If you've seen the episode of Futurama where they have to create a giant ball of garbage so that they can knock the garbage from New York from 1,000 years ago, as in today's age, off orbit, it's probably because it was full of LJN crap. But anyway, we're gonna play WWF Royal Rumble for the Sega Genesis. I was addicted to these games when I was a kid, and I don't remember any of the moves, but whatever. It's wrestling, and everybody is pretty much dressed. It's fantastic. Razor Ramon. Okay, I gotta Google this. Let's track him. Well, it's absolutely true that that game kind of blows. I guess LJN can't do anything right. Not even 20 years later. My nostalgia was not enough to bring that back to its former glory days. But back when we used to get a video game rental for a week, it was always that one, or WWF Raw, or WWF something 32X. You know, we being me and my younger brother, would always get one of these wrestling games. They're all the same. They just add and remove characters based on, you know, what time period they're trying to go for. Anyway, it's been a long time since I've seen Papa Shango. Till next week.